Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You should already have Motion Array files and Premiere open. Start by unzipping and organizing presets so you can find them fast. Once done, drag the PRF set into the Effects panel or use Essential Graphics to install. Mogget files, this adds them to your presets library. Make sure to place clips on a sequence before applying a preset. Applying directly to a nested sequence or adjustment layer avoids destructive edits and keeps your timeline flexible. Now, drag a Motion Array preset onto your clip or an adjustment layer so you can reuse it across multiple clips. Once applied, open Effect Controls and change values: scale, position, opacity, easing to match your shot. Adjusting keyframes changes timing precisely. If you need complex stacking, nest the clip or duplicate the layer so presets don't conflict. Also, lower the preset's duration or stretch keyframes to sync with music or cuts. This keeps motion consistent across your edit. Finish by rendering your timeline and checking motion at full resolution so you catch any stutter before export. When you've perfected a tweak, save it as a custom preset and export your presets folder for backup. That protects work across projects. If a preset misbehaves, reset the effect parameters or clear Premiere's media cache and reapply. Often corrupted cache or mismatched sequence settings cause glitches. Finally, export using appropriate codecs and double-check motion integrity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.